Hi, hello, and welcome to Ashwath Master. Upgrade yourself with us. So, this channel is for the students. So, today we are going to see how to use the anti-logarithm in the problem without using the table. So, you will be having the problems by using the anti-logarithm. So, mostly we'll be thinking that how to see the table. Most of the students, they will be feeling difficulty to find the anti-logarithm in the table. So, for those type of students, I'm giving you the simple trick how to use the anti-logarithm without you using the logarithmic table. Okay, so I have given you the one more video also how to use the logarithm without using the logarithmic table, so you can check in my channel. So by using that, I'm strongly believing that you will be get us good marks by using the logarithm and anti-logarithm without using the log tables. Okay, so let's go to the video. So in this video we are going to see how to use the anti-logarithm without using the table. Okay, so with using the table also I will give you one more video. So in this one it's a simple trick. Okay, so this will be useful to reduce the timings in your examination also. Okay, so for that reason I have made this video. So first let's go to the video. So how to use the anti-logarithm. So for the anti-logarithm, so we have to memorize certain values. So without memorizing the certain values, we cannot do the anti-logarithm. So what are all those values we will come to know. So even log itself, I have told you that some values we have to memorize. So one day I have given you some 5 log values. So with that 5 log values, we can develop the other values also, right? See, log 1 it is 0, already we have known that. Log 2 is 0.3, log 3 is 0.47, log 4 is 0.6, and log 5 is 0.7, log 6 is 0.77, so log 7 is 0.83, log 8 is 0.9, and log 10 is 0.94, and log 10 base 10 is 1. Okay, so by seeing the 10 values, I think you will be getting confused also. Don't get confused. So I have given you only the 5 values, and this is very important. And the next one is, this is very important, 3, and then 4, and this is 5, and then this is 6. Okay, so log 1 is 0, this is common, and log 10 base 10 is 1, this is also common. So only you have to memorize 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So only these values are enough to do the anti-logarithm also. Fine. So remaining, what we can do, it is easy to memorize and easy to bring out. See, log 10 base 4, how we will know? So we have seen in the example also, log 4 is 2 into 2. So log of 2 square it is, right? So log 6 is, it is nothing but log of 2 into 3. Fine. So here 8 is log of 2 power 3, and log 9 also log of 3 square. So no need of memorizing the log 9 values also. So only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values. Now it is making it so simple. See here. So if you are memorizing these 4 values, it will be very easy to do the calculate the problems. So you can solve the problems using the logarithm and anti-logarithm. So you can get the marks as it is. So without any difficulty. Fine. So apart from this, a few more values I will give you to memorize. Those values also very simple. See, anti-logarithm, in that if it is 0.1, so you have to make it as a 1.26. So don't get confused what is these values, where to use it. I will show you some examples. By seeing the examples you will come to know. Okay, see, 2 into 0.1, that is equal to 1.58. So if it is 0.3, that is 2. See, it is a log of 0.3, that is equal to 2. So everything is log only. This is log, this is also log, and even this is also log. This is log 2 values, this is log. Okay, so this is log values only. So here also log, here also log. So log 2 is 0.3, log 1.58 is 2 into 0.1, it will come. Log of 1.26 is 0.1. So we have studied that log 2 and log 3. First is log 1 is 0, and then log 2 is 0.3 we have studied. So in between values they have given. So now you will become clear, I think so. Okay, hope you have understood this one. See, we have seen this. Log 1 is 0 and log 2 is 0.3. So in between, if they are giving the values, how to calculate? So for that only they have given this one. log 2 is 0.3, log 1.58 is 2 into 0.1, and log 1.26 is 0.1. Okay, this is for the last digit. So if the last digit is 0 to 2 is, you have to make it as 1.05, 3 to 5 means 1.1, and 6 to 7 means 1.15, 8 to 9 is 1.20. Okay, so don't get confused. See, it is adding it by 0.05. See, difference 0 to 2 is 1.05, 3 to 5 is 1.10, and 6 to 7 is 1.15, 8 to 9 is 1.20. Okay, so if you're memorizing these values, anti-logarithm will be easy and the marks exactly in your pocket. Okay, now I will give you some examples. You can see, we can go and do the examples. Okay, the first example is anti-log of minus 6.83. Second one is anti-log of minus 1.2. Third one is anti-log of 5.74. So first two are with the negative values and the third one is with the positive value. So we should know both, how to solve both the type of problems, positive values and the negative values also. So first I will give you the answer for the negative values and then we'll see the positive. The positive is very easy to bring the answers and the negative one little more difficult. I will make you to understand as soon as what to say, however it is possible. Fine. See here, anti-log of minus 6.83. If the value is in negative, so one simple thing you have to do with the answer. So what you have to do? First you have to make it anti-log of, first you separate the value. So you have to separate the first real number and the decimal numbers. Okay, so I am making it minus 6 minus 0.83. This is the first step. You have to separate the values. Second one. So after separating, so what you have to do? So you have to add plus 1 and minus 1 to the values. Minus 6 minus 0.83 plus 1 minus 1. So where to add the plus 1 and minus 1, we will be getting confused, right? So what you have to do? This negative minus 1, always it will join with the negative real number. Okay, so this positive number, it will join with the decimal number. Don't get confused. This negative, the minus 1, it will go to the negative value and the real number, and the minus 1 plus 1, it will go to the decimal numbers. Fine. The next step will be anti-log of, see, minus 1, minus 6, minus 1, minus 7, and then plus 1, 0.83. So it will be reducing it to plus 0.17. So nothing, what we are doing it here, 1 minus 0.83 we are doing, the remaining answer we are writing it here. Now the step is so simple now. The next thing is that anti-log of, we are separating it, anti-log of minus 7 into anti-log of 0.17. Okay, anti-log of 0.17 and anti-log of 0.17 and anti-log of minus 7. Fine. Now see if it is a minus 7, so don't need to bother about that. You have take it as it is, 10 power minus 7. So already we have know this logarithm, we have seen that log of 10 power minus 7, it will come as a minus 7 as it is the value. So anti-log of minus 7, always it is going to the 10 power minus 7. Next, so now what you have to do? We are separating this one. So how we are separating this one? 0.1 plus 0.07. So what we are writing it here? See the values. So if it is a 0.1, so we have to write 1.26, and then 0.0 last digit value, last you have to see it here. So if this is 7, 6 to 7 means 1.15. So 10 power minus 7 into 0.1, we are writing it as 1.26 into 0.07 is, that is last digit is 7, so we are making it as 1.15. Okay, so next step. So So we are multiplying both 10 power minus 7. So 1.16 into 1.15. So we will be getting the answer 1.45. You can check it, multiply and check it. You will get to know. Okay. So 10 power 1.45 into 10 power minus 7 is the answer. Fine. So next one. So antilog of minus 1.2. So I have told you before itself, that is, if it is a negative value, you have to make it plus 1 and minus 1 along with the value. Okay. So I am directly going for the step. Antilog of minus 1 minus 0.2, and then along with that I am adding plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so if you are adding this one, it will get cancelled out. You should not do that mistake. Always negative with the negative and then positive with the decimal number. Fine. Now, so next step, antilog of minus 2, 1 minus 0.2, that is plus 0.8, it will come. So this minus 2, it will go out as minus 2. So this 0.8, we can reduce it. How we can reduce? 0.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.2. Okay, so now see, 0.3 means we know that log 2, that is equal to 0.3. So directly it will go as 2. This 0.3, it is 2, and now 0.2. See the anti-logarithm values. See, 2 into 0.1 means that is 1.158. Okay, so into 1.58. The answers will be, that is 4 into 1.58 into 10 power minus 2. Okay, now the answer will be 6.32 into 10 power minus 2. So you can multiply and check the answer. Okay, so next one. Now we are going for the positive logarithm, antilog. Okay, so if it is a positive antilog, no need to add the plus 1 minus 1, directly you can go and check it out. See, antilog of 5 plus 0.74. Okay, so this 5 directly it will go as a 10 power 5, and 0.74, how it will go? 0.3 plus 0.3, 0.6 it is over, plus 0.1 plus 0.04. Okay, so it will change as 10 power 5 into, so 0.32, again 0.32 into, again 0.1. So 0.1 means what will be the value? 1.26. So 1.26 into 4. So last digit is 4. So it will 3 to 5 means 1.1 you have to make it. So again multiply all those values. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 1.1 into 1.26. Okay. So if you are multiplying these values, you will get the answer of 5.56 into 10 power 5. Okay. So please check the value. So don't lose your marks only because of logarithm and anti-logarithm. So logarithm and anti-logarithm is very easy. If you are getting the problems with only the logarithm and anti-logarithm, then the marks is in your pocket. Okay. So don't lose your marks because of this log and anti-log. So I will show you, I will give you the separate video by using the table also. Okay. So if you are feeling it so easy with the table, seeing the table, then it is you can use only the tables. Okay. Fine. So this is time consuming. That is the reason I have given you the separate video without using the log tables. Okay, thank you. This is the first time if you are watching the video, means please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and then only you will get all the videos whatever I am sharing it with the channel. Fine. Thank you.